Friends, we're continuing to do front end repair, and now is the time for ball joint. You see this one is not good anymore. This rubber separated, torn, and has quite a bit of play. We have a new one made by Delphi. You don't need to take a wheel knuckle off like this, but you just need to follow the video, and there's just all instructions there how to separate the wheel knuckle from the lower control arm to get access to those two bolts, and it's pretty much what you need to know. But for us it's very easy to do when we have the whole knuckle off. We already replaced the wheel hub bearing, it's all new, and yeah, time for the ball joint and rock and roll. Let's get in. We're using 17mm socket to remove two bolts. So like this, we're using a flat screwdriver or punch to separate the ball joint from the knuckle. Like so. Out like this, like so, pretty easy. And yeah, you got the ball joint removed. Just do the cleanup, clean all the debris and dirt, and yeah, it's ready to install the new one. Clean all corrosion and dirt. Make sure it's clean. Inspect the knuckle for the possible cracks or damages. Seems to be good. Okay. Get it ready for a new. Good. We have a replacement part made by Delphi, steering and suspension parts, which is pretty good aftermarket brand. Originally it's engineered in Great Britain. They come with a pretty good quality. Let's see what we have. Look at that, pretty nice and shiny. It will serve as another 100,000 or plus kilometers. Yeah, brand new. And it came with the two new bolts. Ball joint to the knuckle. We'll use the brand new bolts as well. Alright, we need to align the holes like this. Make sure it goes straight down, not crooked. On the other side. Be careful, don't damage the rubber boot. This is very important. You don't want to pinch that. And just play like this. It should go in. Don't use the metal tools. You can damage the rubber. Just gently work with the plastic or wood. Light coat of lock thread, I guess, like so, to prevent bolts from getting loose. work with the hammer a little bit like this, carefully. Make a quarter turn, then switch the blade. Make sure it goes straight, like so. It's coming. Check the gap. Yeah, we'll do it on this side. Put it in. Nice and easy, like so. Yeah, so what do you want to see? It's all the way in, and you see there's no gaps. Let's check it out. Now we can see how it fits. It fits perfectly. It's flat. It's leveled. There's no gap. So what do you want to see? On the other side, you see it's all fits. Alright, this is what you want to see. Now we need to torque it, the bolts. According to the specs, we should torque the bolts to the wheel knuckle to 37 foot-pounds of torque. And yeah, we're going to do that right now. And this one this nut should be tight with the 40 foot-pounds of torque. Let's do it right now. We set our torque range to 40 foot-pounds. And we torque each of the bolts like so. And now this wheel knuckle will install the new bolt joint ready to be put it back. Right, thanks for watching. Click and subscribe for more interesting videos. Love you. That's how final result looks like. We have new bolt joint installed, and it's nice and shiny at this time. We have a new wheel bearing hub all ready to go, and as well we replaced the upper support bearing, and everything's attached. Took us about 3 hours to get everything done, and it's almost good to go. Just put a rotor, brake caliper, and tire. That's it. Any questions, ask in the comments below. Thanks.